Hello, welcome back to my channel, and in this case I would like to discuss and show you how to create a frequency distribution and also how to create a histogram at the same time. So frequency distribution is very important because sometime when you are teaching in the classroom you want to see how many students get the certain score, and you want to make a better picture of your classroom. That's why you can do frequency distribution table, and then you can also make it into histogram. So how we can do it? So first of all, let's say I have this data set on my classroom. Let's say this is like class A, right? So I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 or something student. All right. So this is the score that they have. So first of all, we would like to know what is the maximum score and the minimum score in this case. So we can do make this equal symbol and then do the max and then open the parenthesis, and then you can block this all and then close parenthesis and hit enter. So your highest score of your student is 93, and now you need to do the minimum score or the lowest score the similar way. So equal and then hit min, all right, and then hit this and then do hit all of this and do the close parenthesis and then hit enter. All right, so the lowest score is 38. All right, so you want to put all of this number, the lowest to highest, at a range. So you can do the score range, right? Let me make it a little bigger. So you want to include all of this. So 38. So start from 31, right, to 40, and then 41, right, to 50, and then 51 to 60, and 61 to 70, and 70 to 80, and then 81 to 90, and because the highest score is 93, so now we do 91 to 100. So now in this, and then after that you can do create a bin. For the sake of this, you need to put all of the upper score into this column. So this step is for us to create a table later on. So we have here 40, so you can just put all 40, 50, right? Oh, they have already there. So we can actually do drag and we get this. Okay, so this is actually the table that we have. So we have the score bin, score range, and then we have bin. So now what we're gonna do is to create a frequency distribution, and at the same time we gonna create the histogram image. So now what we have to do is to hit data, and then on the upper corner we have the data analysis. So hit data analysis. So we have a lot of option here. So t-test, ANOVA, etc., etc. So what we can do right now is histogram. So hit histogram and then OK. So I think it seemed that I already did it before, so I just delete this first. All right. I cannot delete this first. Okay. So So for the input range, you can highlight all of this into this option here, into input range. So highlight this. Oh, actually, by the way, I would like to put the label as well. So put score, right? So he is already here. And then for the bin range, we move this table into here. So just put bin here, right? It's already here. So I would like to put labels in this case. So to indicate that this is the not the variable, this is the label. All right. So the output range is where you're gonna put the image or the histogram. So just hit wherever you want. For example, just say here, right? This one here. So the histogram will show here, will show up here, and then for the histogram you can click chart output. All right. So let's see if what we are doing is correct. If we put OK and then histogram show up and then the distribution range are there, then it means correct. So let's say OK. Let us click OK. Oh, there you go. Yeah, we got it correct. So yes, we have this bin and then frequency. Frequency here mean that your student who got the score between 31 to 40, there are 3 students. 41 to 50, 2 students, etc. So to make it more beautiful, you can actually create create new table here, right? And then you can move the frequency side. Okay, so just make all the border, right? Oops, here, make it more perfect. So why this is I don't want it to be italicized. So alright, so I want to give the color. Okay, so there you go. So here we have the frequency table here, 31 to 40, 41 to 50. So these are all. So this is our histogram here. So you can change bin here is actually the scores, all right, of your student scores, and this is the frequency, right? And frequency. All right. So basically that's it. That is how to create a data frequency distribution and the histogram. Thank you for stopping by to my channel, and bye bye.